Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Judy DiNatale. She is the Chief Sustainability Officer at FMC. Julie, it's fantastic to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Judy. It's a pleasure to be here.
So let's start off by talking about the company. Tell me about FMC and also tell me about your role.
Yeah, sure. So FMC is an agricultural sciences company. We bring farmers across the globe innovative solutions to help them protect their crops from pests and diseases. We do this while bringing them cutting-edge technology that also helps them farm sustainably and help them adapt to the changing climate. So my role as Chief Sustainability Officer is to make sure our efforts in this space, reaching our sustainability targets, our initiatives, are aligned with the company strategy. This is important because we want to make sure we're driving business growth as well as helping the environment and helping people across the globe.
What areas of sustainability is FMC focused on?
So we have three main focuses at FMC with our sustainability initiatives. So first we talk about our protection pillar. That's where we can make an impact on the environment in our own operations. This is where we have goals to reduce our emissions, to reduce our waste, to take our waste to beneficial reuse, and also bring water conservation and water stewardship practices to our facilities around the world. Second is our engagement pillar. That's where we support our customers and we support the value chain with programs that bring together product stewardship efforts with working with farmers directly, as well as bringing market access programs to smallholders and underserved farmers around the world, and also collaborating with other companies in the value chain like food companies. And then last is our innovation pillar, and this is where we tie in sustainability with the products that we're bringing out of our R&D pipeline.
Now, Julie, FMC just published its 13th annual sustainability report. So what do you want key stakeholders to take away from that report?
The top thing I would want people to look at when they look at our sustainability report at FMC is to know that there are companies and people at FMC that are very passionate about the work in protecting the environment and feeding the world. The technologies we have, it's vital to make sure that we give farmers the opportunity to protect their crops from diseases, but also lessen the impact of the whole food and agricultural space. And then I would want people to look at that report and really see that sustainability is embedded across our company. It's in our day-to-day operations. I talked about our protection pillar. We can take care of our own facilities by reducing the environment. It's in our governance process. It's throughout our whole business initiatives and our company strategy, because it's important to make sure we're reducing our impact, and with that brings efficiencies, cost savings. It also allows us to mitigate risks and retain and recruit top talent. And lastly is our climate transition plan. That's where we tie everything together that we've been doing for many years and show the world where we're headed next with our initiatives.
Now, you mentioned the climate transition plan. Tell me more about that, and why did you decide to publish one, and why now?
This is our first climate transition plan that we've published, and we've been doing work on our greenhouse gas emissions evaluation and tracking this and reporting it since 2011. But we have a net zero target of reduced greenhouse gas emissions by 2035. This is a very ambitious goal, and at a time when other companies are pulling back from that or their climate ambitions are being called into question, we really wanted to share with our stakeholders a credible plan that we are not backing away from our net zero goal. It's ambitious, we have a pathway to achieve it, and that's where we tie in all of that work and bring it forward in our climate transition plan. It's important for our company to share with the world that we can do this. We can get on the road to net zero and still be profitable and still grow our business. So that is what I would love for folks to take a look at with our climate transition plan.
Julie, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thanks.